Today, we will talk about how you can increase the results of castor oil 10 times, not only on the face, but also on other parts of the body. This oil is at least 4,000 years old. It was found in ancient Egyptian tombs. It has been used in traditional Chinese medicine and ancient Greek medicine for thousands of years. But remember that it is very toxic in its original state. When it is made into oil, toxic substances are removed from it. Then, this oil becomes beneficial for you. It is one of the thickest oils in the world. There is one thing in it that is not found in any other plant in the world. Its name is ricinoleic acid. It is a natural chemical. How does it work? If you have a scar on your face, it can remove it. It can reduce wrinkles and gives hydration to the skin. It moisturizes dry skin. Castor oil is so strong that it can cross all 3 layers of the skin. In some cases, it can even dissolve lumps in the body. The biggest mistake people make with castor oil is that they don't use it regularly. They just apply it once and think it will work like magic. But this is not the case. If you really want to see its effect, you must use it regularly. Apply it at least 3 times a week and continue for at least 30 days. Then, you will start noticing a change. You don't need to apply too much. Take a little castor oil and massage it on your face or different parts of the body. You will notice that the moisture on your face will return, the hydration will improve, and your skin will feel deeply moisturized, just like a good moisturizer. Another great advantage of castor oil is that if you apply it on your eyelashes or eyebrows, it not only increases their growth, but also thickens them. It also works on skin tags and warts. If you mix garlic and iodine with it, iodine works as estrogen in the body. The biggest waste product behind most skin issues is excess estrogen. When estrogen starts increasing in the body, iodine is a great remedy for it. Some people apply castor oil to their eyes for dry eyes. If you have a tartar problem, castor oil can also be used regularly. Similarly, if you have a liver problem or arthritis, then castor oil packs are used in many therapies. People apply this oil to different parts of the body, especially on the abdominal area, massaging it on the liver to increase the flow of bile, because castor oil has excellent skin penetration. You can even massage it on the upper abdomen of a baby. If there is a cyst, it can be applied on the breast as well. Along with this, you should also include magnesium oil. If you have back pain or arthritis, apply castor oil on your knees, feet, hands, shoulders, or traps, especially before going to sleep at night. This helps your body relax and allows you to go into deep sleep easily. Here's another small skin hack. If you really want to take your skin to the next level, dip your face in an ice bath, and after that, apply castor oil. This combination will have a magical effect on your skin. You'll notice a difference you've never seen before. You can also enhance the results by doing intermittent fasting. Fast for 48 or 72 hours. This cleanses your body of dead cells, toxins, and old waste. It's a multi-layered effect where the repair starts from within. But remember, it all depends on what you are eating. If you have scars, stretch marks, or old marks, you can apply castor oil on them too, and you will notice a visible difference after some time. Just apply a little oil and rub it well. The scars will gradually fade. Castor oil also activates hair growth. If you want long, thick hair, massage your scalp with a little castor oil. It also helps with dandruff and dry scalp because it is antimicrobial. For scalp use, I recommend Jamaican black castor oil, available at most health stores. If you have swelling in your body, castor oil is a very strong anti-inflammatory oil. To get full body benefits, apply it on your feet. This way, it's absorbed into the bloodstream and starts working from within. For example, if you have pain or swelling in your knees, fingers, or lower back, massage it on those areas. And the last point is very important. If you are pregnant, avoid using castor oil because it can cause early contractions and lead to premature delivery. Do not use it until your delivery time has arrived. If you haven't seen my part 1 video on castor oil, I'm linking it here. Do watch it. I hope this information is useful for you. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.